welcome back again. This is Mr. Sen, and this is a continuation of Physics 101, Lecture 1, Dimension Analysis. Alright, so this is question 5 from tutorial sheet 1. It's a very simple question. So now, it says the radius of a circle is measured to be that. So whenever you see a plus or minus, you have one value here and another value there. There's a plus or minus in between. Then they are not sure of which one is the answer. So which means that they are uncertain of which one is the answer. I hope you get the point. So whenever you have, for instance, maybe you have like 2 plus or minus 10, then you don't know the answer. Like it could be 2 plus 10 or 2 minus 10. You're not sure. So you are uncertain. So be mindful about that. Okay, so with this in mind, that's saying the radius of the circle is measured to be that. Calculate the area and the circumference of the circle and give the uncertainty in each case. Alright, so now basically area is equal to pi r squared. Now since they want us to show the uncertainty in each case, then the uncertainty in our case here is that the radius is 10 plus 5 plus or minus 0.2 meters, which means that we have the radius of the big circle and the small circle. Okay, that's in an analogy sense because we're not sure which one is the radius. So anyway, with this in mind, I can now deduce the area to be in the form of pi r is equal to r squared plus or minus pi r squared. Then my area will be equal to pi. Then the big R is 10.5 squared and plus or minus pi. Small r is 0.2 squared. And this is my answer. For those of you who feel like filling out, you can expand this and expand that. You can expand this guy and that guy. Whatever you get is also the answer. But I feel like leaving it here is still fine. They cannot penalize you for this. Anyway, let's move on to the next part. Now, what about the circumference? Now, the circumference is the distance around a circle. A perimeter is the distance around the shape that you all know, but the perimeter of a circle is called the circumference. So now, I wish this was calculus. I would have just said find the derivative of area, and you have the circumference. So the derivative of the area is the circumference, just for those that you know. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now because of the uncertainty we have to show, the circumference is equal to 2 pi capital R plus or minus 2 pi small r. Circumference will be equal to 2 pi big R 10.5 plus or minus 2 pi small r 0.2. And you're done. Quite simple, isn't it? Yeah, I know. It is a very simple question. Alright, maybe I can make one for you. Let me say task. Something similar. The radius of a cylinder is given to be 9.85 plus or minus 4.73 meters. Find the area and volume of the cylinder, showing the uncertainty. That is in each case. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope you understand. Don't forget to like and subscribe.